Greeting my fellow foolish mortal. Tonight we are here at Screamin Acres. I am Derek on the team Hellhounds. Tonight I have Spencer and Makayla joining us here at Screamin Acres right behind me. This haunt is really cool, so you're gonna experience a multi-haunt attraction. There's also a really cool 3D room, and in Wisconsin there's not really many options for a type of haunt like that. There's a lot of cool actors, a lot of shout out to Puddles the Possum. He's one of our favorite characters when we came here last year, on top of some other characters and cast. So without further ado, let's go inside and get some scares.
Oh my gosh, you see that? It's already time to go. I'll see you on the outside.
See ya.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Oh, jeez, that's so goat. There's a goat.
There's a goat.
Wow. You got the smell? Have you smelled that? Oh my God. Hi. Oh.
You always scrumptious. If I take a bite.
Hi. Oh man. Oh gosh.
Hello! Right this way! Come on, it's so good to see you! We've been waiting all night.
All night.
All night.
You look scrumptious. I'm starving. Come on.
Thank you.
You want to be my friend? You should let me out. Hey! Come on! Don't leave me here!
Welcome, guys.
Hi.
You guys hungry?
A little bit.
Yeah, kind of.
So much good.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Dinner.
Hi.
Welcome in, dinner. I see my next batch of turkey right in front of me.
Whoa, you got a lot of jerky with me. You're very welcome.
Go ahead, Spencer.
Oh, Jesus. Hi. Oh, gosh.
The squeezer.
Oh, gosh. So got me. You got me.
You want to stay and play?
Not really.
No?
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. All right.
Are you here to play with me?
Nope.
I love friends!
I'm sure. Are they still behind you? Oh, gosh.
We love friends!
Do you now? I'm sure you do. All right.
No! Out of my
Oh,
car!
my gosh. Hey,
I do have to warn you, I do got some cellmates that do get a little handsy. It is cuffing season around, you know. The next one's joining my congregation. Welcome to lockup, child.
oh, hi.
Are you ready to go for a ride?
I'm ready.
We're gonna have fun with you.
Here.
Single file!
All right.
Let's go!
Single file.
Move it in, mates! You don't want to be late for your cavity search, and I don't mean your teeth.
Oh, great. After you. I'm okay. It's your turn now.
We're breaking through the prison.
Stuart, where are you, Stuart? You need to help me find Stuart.
Stuart.
Need everybody.
Stuart.
Where are you, Stuart? God, come back to me. Where are you?
Stuart.
Stuart. What crime did you
What'd
commit?
you do? She's not getting out.
Oh, jeez.
No, done. Oh my God. Oh, I was waiting for it because we were.
Oh, my gosh.
The rats.
Hi. I think that's Stuart.
Oh yeah.
Stuart Little.
Stuart.
Not so little anymore. Oh, I knew it.
Yes.
Oh,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, sir? I'm glad.
Yes.
Oh, jeez.
Don't yell.
I wasn't even me.
You
who
scared
yelled.
me.
Ah!
You scared me. Oh my God.
Okay. Hi.
Zap him.
Oh, gosh. Hi.
I told you.
You got some stuff in your head. Ah! God. You keep clapping every time. Like
I thought that was the person.
You gonna grab the key?
Where's the key? Oh, I don't know about all
Go
that.
on in.
I don't know
come to join me?
Key. What's wrong with the key?
Hi.
How are you today?
Okay, how are you?
I'm
Talk
great.
to you. Know about all that.
Escape the jail cell.
Oh,
New cellies. You get
Yep.
the top bunk.
oh, great. I'm glad. Cool.
See you guys soon.
Okay. Be somebody. I do it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's the padded room. Oh, hi.
I'm gonna say no.
Oh my. Oh, he told us he would see us soon.
Because I'm trying to get out.
Us too.
After you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Where you going?
Just leaving.
That way.
Oh, we're leaving.
No, you feel bad.
Oh, that's okay.
There you are. We've been waiting for you.
Yeah, I bet.
You're late.
Hi there, stranger. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing just fine. Getting good sky, honey.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. That's good.
I'm definitely not gonna stab you in the back or anything. Don't keep looking at me.
That's not
what I'm
worried
about.
Oh, fuck! Oh, you got me good.
Where you going?
Just through? Okay.
Hi.
Hi there.
I'd rather.
Jesus.
You know.
Oh, hi. Oh, it's him
Pixie.
again.
Yeah, Lulu.
Oh, okay.
I hope you can run.
There he goes.
Oh, God, I knew this coming.
Yep.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Why are you running?
What do we have here? Come on, don't you guys want to stay and play?
Not even a little.
Play.
Here he goes. Puddles! Oh no. I love a good possum. If there's anybody in here. Oh, yep, see, I just told you I was swinging my arms.
Hi.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, all right. Not really.
Jesus. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Good. How are you?
What do gas prices look like?
$10 a gallon, nice and cheap.
Oh,
My
yeah.
Pure
goodness.
gasoline.
You guys scared me. Why would you do that?
Scared
You guys
me.
didn't even knock when you came into my house.
Oh
What
my.
the heck, man?
Yeah,
You
man.
guys have been
I'm
haters.
sorry.
Come on. You guys need to be better.
Have some decency, Spencer.
Come on.
Oh, gosh.
Please. Please. Did you come back? Come on.
She yelled at us.
Well, you went in her house. What do you expect?
Huh? Not real.
Oh, you a liar. You're a liar.
The hands were too still. Ah. Ah.
Wow. The detail on that's pretty crazy.
Hurry, we don't want to tell you. Are you ready to go? We have the best rooms under the house. Yes. You'll be screaming of joy for like 5 minutes, and then you'll have the best sleep of your life. Yeah.
wait.
Yeah,
Forever
good. All right, are you ready to go?
I
He
believe you're
can't
right.
right.
wait. Go
Well, just
ahead,
know-
Spencer.
Just know that you're about to meet my family, and they're
Oh.
not as welcoming as me. So you guys get to deal with them. Yes. I don't want to deal with them, so you go
Oh,
do that.
great.
Yes. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Play with me?
Nope, not even a little bit.
Why not? It's my
You're scary.
What?
Fuck!
You're in the library.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, Spencer. You're right.
Oh gosh.
There it is. Oh my God, he's frozen. goodness.
Come on, stay fixed in there.
Oh, thank you.
Why? I can't make that noise back.
How did I get ahead of you guys?
Why would you do that?
Oh, God. Oh.
Hello.
Hey,
Why would you
okay.
do that?
I'm so sorry.
I don't think you are sorry.
I don't think so either. Well,
Oh.
doorway. Hello.
Oh, there's two of them. Oh, hello. I'm just gonna sneak past here real quick. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
I didn't even see the guy.
You made it all the way out.
Thank you.
Who's got? Oh, who's top?
She's cool. That's trippy. Oh my gosh. No, thank you. I like my skin. Oh my gosh! I couldn't even see that coming. Oh, I can't wait to meet her.
Let's go.
Okay. No moving.
We're moving.
I remember you.
My goodness.
Man.
There you are! Oh, hi! You just have the most lovely eye sockets. Could I grow mushrooms out of them just like
Yes.
that? I could.
Yes.
Oh, this is the floor.
Hi.
Hey!
Hi. Welcome to my home. Come on in. Come on in.
Hello.
Welcome in.
Oh my
Wow, you're like a professional or something. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Goodbye. Okay. I thought that was a mirror.
Scream.
Scream, cry, scream.
Hey.
Don't let it fall! Don't let it come! Don't let it come! Oh my God! Don't let it come!
So close.
All right, so that's gonna conclude tonight's haunted house here at Screamin Acres. If you guys have not been here before, make sure you guys do come out and take a look for yourself. There's a whole new inside section at the last resort, as long as a lot of other new additions, so be sure to come check it out. If you guys do wanna see another haunted video from Wisconsin, click around here by one of our faces. Otherwise, it's been Team Hellhounds, and we'll see you guys in a future video. Until then, stay scary.